AGV, Automated Guide Vehicle. Automated guide vehicle is automatic run mobile vehicle designed to move the materials from one place to another. This vehicle use various types of sensors such as optical sensor, laser sensor, magnetic sensor and camera. This is a simple figure of AGV. It consists of material transfer device, robotic arm, control device. Control device controls the vehicle movement and speed with greater accuracy. The control device has some set of integrated equipments are PLC operated brushless DC motor, proximity sensor, photo sensor, programmable logic controller or PLC is a computer control system that continuously sends the feedback from position sensor to the input through the control device. Proximity sensor detects the object nearby the vehicle. It detects the station. Proximity sensor consists of coils driven by the oscillator. The oscillator develops an electromagnetic field which produces the signal to the control device. The proximity sensor is mounted at the lower bottom of the AGV. Navigation system. AGV use tape for guide path. The sensor decides the path of AGV which guide the vehicle in a confined direction. The magnetic tape is fixed on the floor and the vehicle follow the path using it. Material transfer device. Material transfer device consists of electronics device such as PLC, motor controller, voltage regulator, etc. PLC is a digital computer that has an input and output interface controlled by the simulated program designed in a computer, and it is used for electromechanical process. This is a simple configuration of robotic arm. The various movements are shown in this picture. The functional parts of robotic arms are motor controller. Motor for arm is given by the motor. It gets command from the PLC. Potentiometer. It is attached to the shoulder or elbow joints. Robotic arm movements change the resistance in potentiometer. This is a mechanical gripper. The mechanical gripper uses the linear actuator which can be easily controlled by the DC motor. The main aim to use the DC motor in gripper is to make all the function control by electrically. This is the construction of AGV. This is the charging method of AGV. The charging process is done by the constant interaction between the track supply and onboard battery management system. The pickup inductance present in AGV and track inductance constructed in a station. This flux generates the current and amplify it, which charge the battery of AGV.